Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the wonderful Firenze red. Let's start our journey from the front of this wonderful Evoque, where we will find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, the sporty and stylish dynamics continued as it sits on these 20-inch diamond turned alloys with their gloss dark grey contrast. Venturing to the rear, you'll see your rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, whether it be a canine companion or luggage for a week away. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. Rear passengers will also have their own climate control, which they can tailor to their own individual preferences. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Now taking a closer look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which is courtesy of the extended leather upgrade. You'll see it offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, your trip computer and your sat nav. As we move over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid, as well as your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access further vehicle dynamics from within your entertainment screen. Looking down now to your lower screen, you'll be able to access your 2-zone climate control, as well as your heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll further be able to access terrain response systems from within your entertainment screen. Finalising our journey, we look up to find your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will enhance this vehicle's occupants in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.